Today we'll talk about how can you find a search for you on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to who search for me, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all people search for you. So of course you have to get premium here to show for you in this list, to show for you people who search for you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.